What's up everybody, it's Rob from the Basement Bike Shop, and in this video I'm going to teach you the bunny hop, tail tap 360 or pivoting 360. Now I do think this is a good trick to learn before you go for the full bunny hop 360. Even though it's a little bit different, I think the transition to the bunny hop 360 is a lot easier after learning this trick. Now most likely if you're thinking about learning this trick, you've probably already tried to carve and bunny hop, getting your rotation down, probably landed a 180 already, and we'll take you the rest of the way from there. The first thing you want to work on is bunny hopping and landing on your back tire. This will get you comfortable with the body positioning needed for the tail tap 360. When you start learning full bunny hop 360s, this is pretty much the only thing that'll change. After that, we're going to work on landing with pedal pressure. It's almost like landing the bunny hop and riding a wheelie away, because we use no brakes when we do the tail tap 360. The same pedal pressure that you use to do like a 180 spin out. If you want to check out my Abubaka video, I go through it a little more in that video. It's definitely something you're going to want to learn and get down to before you try the tail tap 360. It will make the spin much more comfortable. Once you have that down, we're going to try putting it all together. If you find yourself not rotating enough, a good idea is to add a little more speed. If you're leaning back too far, you'll come off the back. If you're not leaning back far enough, it'll look like that. And a good idea is just to add a little more pedal pressure. Don't be afraid to put your foot down and just keep practicing. Always turn your head and look at where you're going. It's going to help bring your bike around. And eventually you're going to get it. It's going to seem natural. Now the key to learning the bunny hop 360 after this is to bunny hop as high as you can and throw your body weight forward so you're not landing on your back tire. Once you have your rotation down from this trick good, it should come very, very easy to you. And that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep these videos coming. For my next video, I think I'm going to do the bunny hop no footer. So that should be interesting. If you don't want to miss that next video, you can turn those alerts on. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can leave a comment below or you can shoot me an email. Thanks again for watching.